Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2019 Subaru Forester LP Adventure trim. Comes equipped with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as custom Baja Champion BF Goodrich tires, as well as fast blackout rims, front base bar and rigid running lights, as well as luggage rack, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, you're gonna have this black and carbon finish here. You're gonna have a little extra storage just under the door. You're gonna have that speaker on the bottom. Of course, up here, you're gonna have your driver controls with the power lock, power mirrors, and your power windows as well. And it's gonna have that blackout finish there. No power adjustable seat, but these seats are heated as well. Left side here, you can control your lighting control, and of course, if we move on to the steering wheel, you have your volume control, your media recognition, and your voice recognition. And on the right side, you have your cruise control, and of course, you've got the S and the I here. So that just means sport and then regular mode, pretty much. Here you got the odometer here. Of course, you can access your fuel mileage there as well. The center console here now, we have our media control, and of course, the infotainment system here. Comes equipped with Subaru Starlink, which you'll have to set up for. With other apps included, again, you have TravelLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as I explained earlier. Of course, you have the radio, CD player, and so much more. You got the clock and temperature just right above there as well. Of course, you got a little pad there, and of course, 2 USB ports, an auxiliary port, and a 12-volt DC port. And moving over here, we have X mode. So pretty much when you put in X mode, it's for all terrain, for those rugged trails. If you ever take it down on the trails, you got your 2 cup holders there. Of course, the center console with a little extra storage and a 12-volt DC port just down there. And that same finish here on the passenger side. Of course, you're gonna have that same kind of outlook there, just the power lock and the power window as well. Of course, you're gonna have that same trim on the glove box here as well. You have speakers on top there as well, and you're gonna just have your running lamps there as well. So you're gonna have these 17-inch blacked out fast wheels running on all-terrain Baja Champion tires. They're gonna get you for that rugged trails. Of course, you're gonna have that paint match mirror cap and door handles with that plastic right under the bottom there. Of course, you're gonna have your LP Adventure trim on the side window there. It's also gonna come with the luggage rack up top. Of course, you're going to have that single exhaust there on the bottom there as well. You're also going to have tons of extra storage here in the back, as well as an extra 12-volt DC port and a little extra storage for an extra wheel well down there. Very spacious rear. Of course, moving on to the rear, we're going to have that same finish and style just on that rear interior door. You have that carbon finish there with the power window. Of course, getting inside here, we're not going to have tons of extra storage space here, just only on the passenger seat there as well. You're just going to have a little extra storage compartment there. Not a whole lot going on back here, though. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out the 2019 Subaru Forester LP Adventure trim. Comes equipped with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as rigid running lights, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Baja Champion BF Goodrich custom tires, as well as a luggage rack, Subaru Starlink, and so much more. Make sure you keep watching the videos. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.